Good morning, sir. My name is Kishore. Today, talk about market research for the new venture prepared by Kishore, Divyesh, Pratik, Parth, and Tarun. Now, what is market research? Market research is an organized effort to gather information about target market or customer. It is a very important component of business strategy. The term is commonly interchanged with marketing research. However, expert practitioner may wish to draw a distinction in that market research is concerned specifically about marketing process while market research is concerned specifically with market. Market research is one of the main factors used in maintaining competitiveness over competitor. Market research provides important information which help is identify and analyze the needs of the market size and the competition. Market research technique encompass both quantitative techniques such a focus group, in-depth interview, and ethnography, as well as quantitative techniques such as customer survey and analysis of secondary data. Next.
Today we are talking about importance of market research, identifying problems and opportunity in market, formulating market strategy, determining consumer needs and wants for effective communication mix, for sales forecasting, determining export potential, managerial decision making, increase sales, better customer management, minimize loss in business. Next is step for market research for new venture, identification and defining objectives, collection of data from secondary sources, collection of data from primary sources, analysis and interpretation of the result.
Hello, my name is Janupat and my topic name is market research. So there are two types, primary research and secondary research. In a primary research, the data will be collected by directly through a company. So there are in a primary research, there are four types of different techniques used. First one is interview, second survey, third is questionnaire, and fourth is focus group. Now secondary research. In this type of research, your data collect and analyze secondary data that has already been published by a book, top market research magazine, etc. So there are two methods to collect this data. First is questionnaire method. This method employs the statistical analysis and required to large sample size. Second is qualitative method. This method is used to get an understanding of a resource, opinions and motivation.
Identification of problem. First and foremost, should have the clear understanding about the problem as well the reason for which the research is undertaken. Second point is the senior most level of manager along with the middle level manager should engage the work together and find a problem and the work for the same. The third point is that they also need to agree on the aim of the undertaking the research. The second is a design and appropriate market research plan. In this step, the team of the market of marketers and the researchers work together to decide upon the exact detail and they need to developing a foolproof plan to secure it in shortest possible time and in the best possible way such that interviewing of the focus group, drafting and perfect market research or by determining a sample research plan. The second point, a good market research plan or service should encompass the problem faced by the managers, the researchers aim along with the essential information need for the collecting the circular data.
Hello friends, my name is Tarun Kharwal. Now we are moving in next slide in our presentation. That is data collection. This is most crucial or say key point among all market research service. At this stage, no mistakes are allowed. In this step, if the respondents are not available, then it will become too much difficult. If the collected data are wrong or false, then it will also create problem in decision making. due to proper and precise information are required. This step is more expensive among all steps. Now moving to our next slide, that is implementation of market research plan. This is last but not the least step. Once the assimilation process of decision is done, now the market research department analyzes and studies the collected data. From that study, they produce or suggest next information or result which are required. At the final, the suggested result now need to be implemented. This is most critical step. If the implementation is not in proper manner, then again the need for revise the process will occur. Thank you.